Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your website beautiful. We'll start by focusing on the core principles of design. A clean and intuitive layout is paramount for user experience, guiding visitors effortlessly through your content. Selecting a consistent color palette, perhaps 2 or 3 primary colors, creates visual harmony. Also, choose legible fonts, one for headings and another for body text, to ensure readability. Finally, high-quality images and videos are crucial for engaging your audience. Next, let's talk about visual hierarchy and spacing, which are vital for an appealing website. Establishing a clear visual hierarchy helps direct your visitors' eyes to the most important information first. Don't be afraid of white space. It significantly improves readability and gives your content room to breathe. Grouping related elements together makes your site feel organized, and maintaining consistent spacing throughout ensures a professional and polished appearance. Now, let's dive into the power of typography and color psychology. Your font choices should truly reflect your brand's personality, whether it's modern, classic, or playful. It's best to limit yourself to 2 or 3 distinct font styles for a cohesive look. Understanding color psychology is also key. For example, blue often conveys trust, while green suggests nature. Always ensure there's sufficient contrast between your text and background colors for optimal readability. Finally, let's discuss responsiveness and performance, which are crucial for a beautiful and functional website. Your design must be fully responsive, adapting seamlessly to desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Optimize all images and videos to ensure quick loading times, aiming for pages to load in under 3 seconds. Minimizing code and using efficient hosting also significantly boost performance. Regularly testing your website's speed and overall user experience will keep it beautiful and effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.